Hello, this is Mrs. Snelling, and today we'll be doing Chapter 13, Natural Resources in Eastern Europe. Natural resources. Eastern Europe and Western Russia have abundant mineral resources, as well as dense forests, fertile farmlands, and rich fishing grounds. These resources play a vital role in people's lives and in the economy of the countries in which they live. Forests and agriculture. Russia is a vast country, by far the largest in the world. However, only about 1/6 of Russia's land is suitable for agriculture. Farmers grow a number of crops, including grains such as wheat, oats, and barley. Most agricultural land is in an area that extends from the western shores of the Baltic Sea to the Black Sea, forming a roughly triangular shape. This area is known as the Fertile Triangle. More than 1/5 of the world's forests are in Russia. They cover an area almost the size of the continental United States. Lumber, paper, and cardboard are important products of the forestry industry. The long, cold winters of western Russia's continental climate, however, cause forests to grow slowly. The intense harvesting of forests and the slow rates of growth threaten the forests and the forestry industry. In 2010, Russia experienced the hottest summer in 130 years, with drought conditions and temperatures reaching 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. That summer, wildfires destroyed 37 million acres, about 15 million hectares of forests, agricultural crops, and other vegetation. The impact of these fires was tremendous, taking lives, destroying homes, and damaging Russia's forestry and agricultural industries. Energy and minerals. Most of Russia's vast coal, oil, and natural gas reserves are in Siberia. Reserves are the estimated total amount of a resource in a certain area. Russia's coal and rich deposits of iron ore fuel the country's steel industry. Machines made from steel are used to build Russia's automobiles, railroads, ships, and many consumer products. Poland's important mineral resources include aluminum, coal, copper, lead, and zinc. Poland is one of the world's major sources of sulfur. Romania has rich deposits of coal, and it extracts oil from the Black Sea. Hydroelectric and thermal power plants also support Romania's energy needs. Other important mineral resources include copper and bauxite, the raw material for aluminum. Fishing industry. Russia's fishing industry is an important part of the country's economy. Salmon, cod, herring, and pollock are among the most important commercial fish in Russia. Many of Russia's lakes and rivers are also used for freshwater fishing. Romania's fishing industry is concentrated in the southeastern area of that country. The Danube River and lakes and rivers near the Black Sea provide much of the fish. The European Union's restrictions on overfishing has hurt Romania somewhat, but fishing remains important to the country's economy. Now that you've listened to the text, go back to the original document and complete the writing assignment. Have a great day.